Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here. And today I'm going to fly the Valiant on 4S. Somebody suggested in the comments that I fly it with 4S, that I would like it. And so I got the 4S 2200 milliamp hour battery in there. They suggested a little bit smaller, but I think it can handle it. Let's get this thing in the air and see how it does. All right, I got one click on the flaps. Everything looks lined up nicely. I got safe turned off. Let's do it. This is the first time flying this on my new transmitter. So I got everything all set up and came out here. And it looks like it is nice and true. If I remember right, this one flew really good straight out of the box. And I did notice my tail is a little bit crooked from storage. It must have been resting on the tail just a little bit, but it's flying okay. I got it straightened up about as much as I could when I got here, but like I said, it's flying straight, so that's all that really matters at this point. You can see it's handling pretty good. I'm about half throttle. Not sure. So the speed controller in this, it actually says it's rated up to 6S. I don't know how much power that motor can take, so we won't push it all the time. And I don't know that I expect this airplane to be a powerhouse, but on 4S it looks like it can go pretty. I mean, that was only like 3/4 throttle. We'll take it up again here. Here we go, full throttle now. Cutting the power. Let's see it tumble as it just stalled and fell back. Nice low pass. And I had the flaps on. I've got a serious issue with remembering those flaps. So the flaps are off now. And let's get it turned into the wind, and we'll do a full speed pass on 4S power here. You can see it can get moving pretty good, so let's get it here with the wind. But like I said, I don't want to hold that there too long. I'm sure it's gonna overheat that motor a little bit. And it might not fail today, but it will definitely reduce the life. So, but yeah, I would say it flies pretty good on 4S. Now I'm not telling anybody to try it, because that's not what it's suggested to do, I don't think. But boy, look at it. That 4S 2200 was a good fit in there. I got it pushed clear back towards the wheels, away from the motor, hoping to not, to offset the CG. When I run 3S, I push it all the way forward towards the motor, and it looks like it handles that pretty good. I am running, I was on low rates, so here we go, high rates again. Should be able to turn some crazy loops with all this power. Really tight. So that's pretty crazy, but anywho. Let's see what the invert looks like on the new radio setup here. It looks like it's handling pretty good. Like I said, I haven't done much with the adjustments. If anything, I think it's all just straight out of the box settings. So another half throttle pass. We'll bring it around here and see how my landing flap setting is. Here we go, full landing flaps now. Should really slow down. And I think I got it at like 80%. Super sensitive. Man, I really like the balance of it with the 4S 2200. That was really nice. Of course, we got a little bit of wind, so it's not wanting to drive straight. The wind's trying to turn it, but you can see how much I got the flaps down for landing, and there's takeoff. Not a whole lot. We'll take it down here and invert, push it up just a little bit, and then we'll flip it over, full flaps for the landing. See if we can scrub enough speed here. Pretty good. It traveled down there a little ways, but not too bad. I would say that it's full flaps are successful on being able to help me slow it down. And overall, the Valiant, man, it handles so good, 3S or 4S. So big thanks to whoever suggested running 4S. You were correct. I do love flying it on 4S. Like I said, I'm not telling anybody to do it because I don't want to be responsible if you damage your motors. But the speed control can handle it. According to what it says on the side of the speed controller, it's good up to 6S. So the voltage isn't a problem. It would be current draw and the current applied across the windings of the motor. So anyways, the Valiant was a good time today. I had the timer set to 5 minutes and we didn't even get close. So that battery's got a long ways to go yet. But I thought this would be a good time to wrap up the video. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary and I just got here.